In the heart of Happyville, where trees giggled and birds wore bow ties, lived two joyful siblings, Gayle, in her bright pink, blue, and white dress, and her younger brother Gaylord, who wore a cool blue shirt and green-blue patterned shorts. They did everything together, playing hide and seek, building blanket forts, and even having cereal races. But there was one thing they hadn't quite figured out yet: how to brush their teeth properly. One morning in the bathroom. "Gayle, do you think brushing teeth really matters?" Gaylord asked, squinting at his toothbrush. "I think it does," Gayle said, holding her brush like a magic wand. "But I wish it were more exciting." Suddenly, a swirl of toothpaste sparkles flew around them, and poof! Out popped a funny, twirly-haired creature wearing a floss belt and a cape made of mint leaves. "Whoa-aha," they gasped. "I am Captain Cleantooth," the creature announced. "I heard you needed a toothbrushing adventure." Dizzy the four-step sparkle routine. Captain Cleantooth pulled out a sparkly toothbrush that lit up like a firefly. "Want teeth that shine like stars? Follow the 4 sparkle steps." "Let's try it," said Gayle. With music playing and toothpaste flying, they brushed and wiggled and laughed. Even their dog Pickles danced along, wearing a tiny toothbrush hat. Sparkle's fun adventures. After brushing with their teeth extra sparkly, Gayle and Gaylord were ready to shine all day. Here's what they did next. Artist Palette 1. Sparkle smile painting. Using big sheets of paper and non-toxic paints, they made smiling self-portraits with giant sparkly teeth. Gayle added a crown. Gaylord gave himself laser toothbrushes. Kite 2. Fresh breath kite flying. They zoomed outside to fly their minty-fresh kites. "Look," shouted Gayle, "my kite is smiling." Gaylord's kite had toothpaste stripes and flew like a toothpaste tornado in the sky. Musical note 3. Dance like a toothbrush game. They made up a silly game where they had to dance like toothbrushes, spinning, brushing, and bouncing side to side. "I'm flossing like a boss," giggled Gayle. "Circle swirl," shouted Gaylord, doing a dizzy spin. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!